Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about what it means to follow Jesus. Follow Jesus means choosing to know Him, love Him, and serve Him in everyday life. To know Jesus is to build a personal relationship with Him through prayer, reflection, and learning from His teaching, not just knowing stories about Him. To love Jesus is to trust Him and show the love through our action, especially by loving and forgiving others. To serve Jesus is to help people with a sincere heart, using our time and talent in small or simple ways. When knows love and serve Jesus, we grow closer to Him and live our faith more fully each day. I have prepared two questions about what I said earlier and I will answer them. Question number one. When did you become the children of God? I became a children of God at my baptism when I was welcomed into the Christian family and began my life of faith. Question number two. How do you serve and love others? I serve and love others by showing kindness and respect and understanding help when I can, listening to those in need and treating everyone with care and compassion in daily action.